Vožnja z vlakom je čas zase. Je nepozabno doživetje. Na poti z vlakom smo trajnostni, varni in brezskrbni. Dobrodošli na vlakih nove generacije. Slovenske železnice.
When creating this idea, we went back to something simple and universal, a child's point of view. Many of us grew up riding trains, so we wanted to bring back the emotional connection that these journeys hold, full of past experiences and warm memories.
We highlight that train transport is a sustainable solution that plays a key role in the future. It's our responsibility to shape the world in which our children, the new generation, will work and travel. That's why Slovenske železnice is investing intensively in modernization and new trains, which are also featured in our ad. The responses to the campaign have been outstanding, both on social media and in professional circles. The respected marketing journal, Marketing Magazine, also reported on the ad.
As creatives, we love exploring new paths, and with the support of clients who are willing to try something different, we can make stories that connect with people.
Following the successful campaign, the number of passengers is increasing, clearly confirming the need for further investment in railway transport.